Uy. Day, Merry Chris, Day. Merry Chris, Day. Day, ahak kung kada Day. Bayad sa utang nimo Day, dugay ka ni bayad Day, Day. Day, Merry Chris. Day, kalakalag pa man to Day, Merry Chris, oy Day. Day, Merry Chris. Lami man din yung butin, Day. Day, oh. Butin, Day. Lami man din soft drinks, butin, Day. Yo, Day.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Lami man din kayo ni soft drinks ako, Day. Wala naging ko budget, Day. Yung mga giutang akong kwarta ko, Day. Merry Chris. Day, Merry Chris. Yung mga giutang akong kwarta, Day. Ginamos na lang ng budget, Day. Utang ako, Day. Ginamos na lang, Day. Lami man din ni pareho sa pan, Day. Ang ginamos, Day. Day, oh.
Oh my God! Wow!
Merry Chris, Day. Ka ba? Dugay ka ni bayad sa mga utang na yun, Day. Wala na ko'y budget mo, Day. Merry Chris. Ayo. Sus, ahak na yun. Nag-budget na lang kong panday. Ginamos, Day. Tungos ka dugay, Day. Nalaya yung bulak na yun, Day. Day, Merry Chris. Nalaya ang bulak, Day. Dugay ka ni bayad, Day. Kalag-kalag pa man to, Day. Merry Chris. Ayo. Nakumbungot, Day. Taas na kay Day. Hapit nabot kitin, Day. Merry Chris, Day. Day. Dugay ka bayad, Day. Kalag-kalag pa man to yung utang, Day. Bayarin ako, Day. Day, Merry Chris. Bayarin ako, Day, ha, Day. Merry Chris. Dugay ka mo bayad, Day. Day. Valentine sa maron, Day. Ang laya na lang akong bulak, Day. Dugay ka, Day. Dugay ka kong bulak, Day. Wala ko'y budget, Day. Day, Merry Chris. Ingon mo ka, Day. Mag-aabot ta, Day. Magbayad na ka, Day. Merry Chris. Dugay magkika mo bayad, Day. Kalag-kalag pa man to, Day. Ipalalit, trabahan ko itong bingka, Day. Karong Valentine's, Day. Merry Chris. Ayo. Tasa ka bungot, Day. Dugay ka ni bayad ko, Day. Wala na akong pang shave, Day. Hapit na mo sagya, Day. Oh, Day. Day. Uhawag huwat mo, Day. Day, Merry Chris. Dugay kay kag binaya, Day. Bayarin ako sa utang, Day. Merry Chris. Day. Bayarin ako, Day. Kalag-kalag pa to, Day. Karon, Day. Valentine's Day na, Day. Nalaya ng bulak, Day. Dayo. Nalaya ng bulak, Day. Ang bungot, Day. Pati natasa, Day. Ariyan ako, Day. Merry Chris.